Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to get the current date in JavaScript. There are various methods we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the new date object. You can see that. So by using this one, you will get the current date. But let's see how it gonna be. So let me add the console like this. So I'm going to get to know each and every step what it console. Okay, so it will return your current date, right? So let me save this and let's reload this one. Okay, current date is multiple times it is current date 1, so I'm going to make it current date 1, and here is also 1 2 and make it 2. Okay, done. So I'm going to just make sure it's to be like this one. Okay, and here I want to add this one. Okay, so let's go and check this one. It is not defined. Okay, where it is date, so let me define the date like this one. So here I'm going to define the date. Const date is equal to this one. No, where it is not defined, this one date is not defined, so let's delete this. Here control X and just add it over here. Okay, so let's have a look on that one. So here you can see that first current date. If you want like this one, like February or something like this, so you can use this one, which you, okay, Indian Standard Time, right? If you want the current, get full year, get month, get day, and you want to format it accordingly like hyphen or the slashes, then you can use this method, right? I'm getting the value get date, get month, get full year. You can see that what it prints 17/7/2023. That is the current date, right? If you want the format of another, then make it assemble with the slashes. Okay, then use that slash and just save and reload this one. Now you get the slashes, right? If you want from that one, if you want that current date, then you can use the slice method. First convert into to JSON format, then slice that part, and it will return the current date in JavaScript. You can see that here, you can see that the current date is. So I think the most easiest way, I think this one, where we are just getting the current date. Okay, and here we have to manipulate the things. So choose which one is more better for you. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.